Governor Youngkin announcing a plan that he says will save Virginians money, eliminating the state gas tax.
The governor plans to introduce special legislation to get rid of the tax for 3 months before slowly phasing it back in. Thanks for joining us for 8 News at 11. I'm Deanna Albritton.
So glad to have you with us. I'm Eric Phillips. Youngkin says his bill would take effect immediately if it passes in a special session. But how much would this plan actually save you at the pump? 8 News reporter Ben Dennis has been working to find out that answer. He joins us live tonight in Chesterfield. Ben, good evening.
Eric, Deanna, good evening. It's going to be hard to find anybody who doesn't want gas prices to go down right now. And while the governor's proposal to suspend the gas tax has not formally been presented, existing state law we have found could mean that his plan doesn't bring down prices at all.
Pains at the pump persist. To help, Governor Youngkin announced a proposal to suspend Virginia's gas tax for 3 months, roughly 26 cents a gallon for diesel and gasoline. But take a look at existing state law on the gas tax. It's distributors who are taxed, not everyday drivers.
If the gas tax, the Virginia gas tax, is taken away from the distributor, that should lower the price of the gas that the actual retailer is paying.
8 News legal analyst Russ Stone.
Presumably, the retailer is going to then lower their prices for the customer. But technically speaking, they don't have to.
A former Virginia governor chimed in today, Democratic U.S. Senator Tim Kaine. He was asked about talks to suspend the federal gas tax, but he said gas companies are more influenced by each other's prices than the gas tax.
The state gas tax in Virginia was much lower than the North Carolina gas tax. But the price at the pump in communities that are on the border between Virginia and North Carolina was exactly the same. It wasn't a 10 or 15 cent difference, because folks who are operating the gas stations are like, well, we're just going to charge what they're charging a mile away.
We reached out to Wawa, Sheetz, BP, Sunoco, Shell, Costco, 7-Eleven, and Exxon. Our question, will they lower gas prices if the gas tax is suspended? 2 retailers responded. Costco said management has no comment at this time. Exxon deflected, recommending we contact the trade group that does not set retail gas prices.
Eric, Deanna, as you had just said, the governor has to present this proposal in an upcoming legislative session right around the corner. It has to pass the House of Delegates and the Virginia State Senate and get his own signature before it becomes law. In Chesterfield, Ben Dennis, 8 News.